Stop copying. Stop pasting right now. If you spend more than an hour a day doing the exact same repetitive clicking, you are literally donating your life to your computer. But what if I told you there is a way to get all of that time back, even if you don't know a single line of code? By the end of this video, I'm going to show you the exact 3-step blueprint to hand your most boring tasks over to AI. I'm talking about a system that works while you grab coffee, or even while you sleep. Let's get into it. Every day you pay what tech professionals call the invisible tax, sorting through endless emails, moving data from your inbox to a spreadsheet, formatting the same reports over and over. It's not just boring. It is actively stealing your time from the work that actually matters. Now, you've probably heard the word automation and thought, that's for programmers. Not anymore. AI has completely changed the game. You don't need to know how to code. You just need to know how to give instructions. Think of AI like a hyper-eager intern. They don't know anything about your job yet, but if you give them a clear step-by-step checklist, they will execute it flawlessly every single time. Here is your no-code 3-step blueprint to automating your work. Step 1. Find the brain-dead task. You can't automate everything, but you can automate the things you do without thinking. I want you to look at your calendar yesterday. What task required zero creativity? That is your target. Let's take a real-world example. Extracting important details from client emails and putting them into a spreadsheet. Step 2. Pick your AI tool. For our example, we are going to use a tool called Zapier. Think of Zapier as the universal translator for your apps. It lets your email talk to your spreadsheet without you writing any code. You literally just click buttons. Step 3. Build the bridge. This is where the magic happens. You set a trigger. In this case, when a new email arrives, then you add an action. You tell Zapier to send that email to ChatGPT with a simple prompt. Extract the client's name, budget, and deadline. Finally, you tell Zapier to take that extracted data and drop it neatly into your Google Sheet. Click Test. And just like that, what used to take you 15 minutes per email now takes 0 seconds. You have just bought back your time. But wait, what about tasks that don't involve apps talking to each other? What if you just get stuck writing the same responses or analyzing long PDF documents? This is where AI completely changes the game. You can just drop that messy 100-page PDF into a tool like Claude or ChatGPT and say, give me a summary of the top 3 action items. You can even record your Zoom meetings, hand the transcript over to AI and say, draft a polite follow-up email to the client based on what we discussed. Accountants are using this to categorize expenses. Teachers are using it to format lesson plans. HR professionals are using it to draft onboarding emails. It doesn't matter what industry you are in. The rule is always the same. If it is repetitive, predictable, and boring, hand it over to the machine. Remember that invisible tax we talked about at the beginning? You just found the loophole. Your time is the most valuable asset you have. Stop spending it acting like a human copy-paste machine. If this blueprint saves you even just 10 minutes tomorrow, consider hitting that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.